Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Lucaswoodslife review video. So, I just went to Starbucks and got their brand new, breakfast sandwich kind of thing. It's like a chicken sandwich with like an egg. Let me see. I can get it here. It is a brand new, it's a chicken maple butter and egg sandwich. Looks really good. Looks really good on the website. That's what it looks like on the website. So cool. All right. So I got that, and then I also got a sausage wrap as well. Let's start off. We will be eating the chicken breakfast sandwich. Smells like maple syrup in the bag, which is really nice. Ooh, looks nice. It's like egg, chicken, and maybe cheese? No cheese. Just egg and chicken. Let's dig in. Alright. So, as of now, 4 out of 10. Flavorless. Chicken's overcooked. And it's more like a biscuit kind of thing. And the bread on the top is soaked through with maple syrup. Not the best, but it's food. Well, thank you for watching this review of the chicken breakfast sandwich from Starbucks. So yeah, I'm not gonna eat the rest. It doesn't taste that great, actually. It would do a lot better with like seasoning on the egg or something. Because right now it just tastes like maple syrup, chicken, which doesn't have any flavor because there's no seasoning, and egg. Bye guys.